The topic we have chosen for our final project is online privacy. According to Privacy International, privacy is a fundamental right essential to autonomy and the protection of human dignity, serving as the foundation upon which many other human rights are built. It is what enables humans to create barriers, negotiate who we are, and control how we want to interact with the world around us. Privacy allows humans to limit who has access to our bodies, places, and things, as well as our communication and our information. It is essential in allowing ourselves to be who we are and to be able to think freely without corporations and governments thinking and deciding for us. High school students nowadays grew up in a digital world. They never experienced an age where they didn't know what other people were doing, where they were going, and what they were eating at all times of the day based on social media. Privacy is nonetheless an important concept to understand if they are to navigate the modern world. With the rise of the online world, companies and governments are now capable of monitoring every conversation, everything we purchase, and every place we go. Life has become increasingly invasive, with a lack of accountability from organizations that abuse their power. It is important that high school students understand the implications of the loss of privacy and how organizations use their information for profit.
The chosen medium is a 3 to 5 minute edited video. This medium is very engaging for high school students. They already tend to watch a lot of video with the rise of YouTube and TikTok. Our video will feature lots of visuals which will let high school students absorb the content in a quick and easy way to understand. Videos are also accessible through different devices, both phone and desktop, so high school students can watch the video wherever they prefer. In our video, we will go through a brief introduction to online privacy. There we will explain the various ways in which the internet tracks users. We will end with some helpful practical tips for high school students on what they can use to manage their privacy. In the first part of the video, we introduce the topic with a definition of online privacy. We will explain why privacy is important and stress that privacy is a fundamental human right. We will then outline the parties involved: government, corporations, and individuals. In our video, we will go through a brief introduction to online privacy. There we will explain the various ways in which the internet tracks users. We will end with some helpful practical tips for high school students on what they can use to manage their privacy. In the first part of the video, we introduce the topic with a definition of online privacy. We will explain why privacy is important and stress that privacy is a fundamental human right. We will then outline the parties involved: government, corporations, and individuals.
In the second part of the video, we will go through the specific ways in which the internet tracks users. The video will explain cookies, small pieces of code embedded on your computer through your browser by the servers of the websites that you visit, and data brokers, who collect the data into detailed user profiles. It will also briefly In the last part of the video, we will give tips for users to protect their privacy, which includes turning off unnecessary features such as cookies and location tracking when not in use. We will stress the importance of awareness and advocacy in regards to privacy. Thank you for listening to our proposal presentation.